Amanda is an orthotics specialist and has a clinic of her own with 3 clinicians working full-time. Each clinician usually sees around 10 to 12 patients a day. With the current disinfection protocols, cleaning after each patient minimizes the amount of patients they can see in a day. Amanda's aware that there is a huge trend regarding 3D scanning, and she's wondering if that solution could be beneficial for her. She would like to integrate 3D scanning for her clinicians at a low investment cost. Luckily for Amanda, the 3D Sizeme app, designed by TechMed 3D, will allow her to scan patients for her production of O&P. Using the app, Amanda will be able to reduce the time she needs per patient, allowing her to schedule more patients for each clinician. Plus, cleaning times would be less, making scheduling easier. Thanks to the TechMed 3D solutions, Amanda has significantly cut her time spent with each patient. She and her clinicians can now see up to 16 patients a day, with no mess from casts to clean up.